Hey guys, this is to help you with the second quick check, simplifying algebraic expressions. Okay, so if we want to simplify these, we're going to combine like terms. Here we have 3 W's minus 8 W's. Since they're both W's, you can just go ahead and put a W for your answer, and then you got to figure out the number. You can either do 3 minus 8 in your calculator, or you can use your brain and you can say, okay, if I have my positive and negative teams, if I have 3 on the positive team and 8 on the negative team, the negative team should win because they have 5 more players. So either way you want to do it, you can either do it in your calculator or in your brain. You can't type the W's in the calculator though. You have to just type the numbers. But here my answer should be negative 5 W's. For this one, we have to combine like terms. So I'm going to circle all my y's. I have a y there, and make sure you circle the number and sign in front of it, so plus 1.2y, and then plus 1.2z. We can't combine the z's with the y's. Those are different. Remember, if you don't see anything in front of the number, there's always a 1 there, a hidden 1. So we're taking 1y plus 1.2y's, and then we're just going to deal with the z's in just a minute, but I'll go ahead and put those down. So we're combining these two things. If we have 1y plus 1.2y's, that gives us 2.2y's. We don't change the y's. We don't make it y squared or anything like that. It's still y's. And then we can just bring down the 1.2z. That's supposed to be a z there. We cannot add these together. We can't say 3.4 yz's. We can't take y's and add them to z's. Those are not the same. That'd be like saying 2 apples plus 1 orange is 3 apple oranges. There's no such thing as an apple orange. You cannot combine them unless they are like terms. So that is your answer. For this one, we're going to combine our like terms. We have 6r's plus r minus 4r's. In this case, they are all the letter R, so we can combine all of them. So we can take our 6R and our R and our 4R, and we can add them up. Now remember, since we don't see a number here, we have to put a 1. And then we're just going to deal with the numbers. So we're going to take 6 plus 1 minus 4. You can do that in your calculator or your brain. That's 7 minus 4, so that is 3. And then we're just going to put the R back on our answer because we're dealing with the letter R. So 6r's plus 1r's is 7r's. If you take 7r's minus 4r's, you are left with 3r's. Okay, in this case, we have to distribute before we can combine like terms. We always want to get rid of those parentheses first. So let's do 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is positive 8. And I'm just going to bring this 5x and the plus sign straight down. And now I'm going to combine like terms. I have a 5x plus 2x. Those both have x's, so we can add those together, and that gives us 7 x's. But I can't add the 8 to it and get like, I don't know, what is that, 15 x's? It doesn't make sense. You can't take 7 x's plus 8 numbers and combine them together to get 15. Those are not like terms. They cannot be added together. So this would be your final answer, 7 x's plus 8 numbers. Okay, so we want to do the same type thing here. We want to distribute first to get rid of the parentheses. 3 times m is 3m. 3 times 2 is 6. And I'm just bringing all this straight down, minus 3m and the plus sign. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I have a negative 3m and a positive 3m. Those actually cancel. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0 m's. So you're not going to write down 0m because the m's completely cancel. If I had 3 apples and I took away 3 apples, I wouldn't still be left with the letter A or whatever. It just completely cancels. So we're not going to write that down. It's just gone. 3m minus 3m is gone. So all we have left in this situation is the number plus 6. So that's our final answer. When we distribute and simplify, it simplifies to 6. Okay. I gotta be honest with you, I really don't like this question. So I'm just gonna give you the actual answer on your quick check. It says, which array models the expression 4x plus 4 plus 2x's? I don't understand why there's all these extra lines involved. So I am just looking at, let me get a highlighter here. I'm just looking at this last line here. That's all that I'm going to look at. Okay. And in this situation, the X's are orange and the numbers are white. So I know that I have 4 numbers. So I can go ahead and cross out this one. This one only has 2 numbers, so I know that that is not even an option. Okay. And then I know that my X's are going to be orange, so I have 4 X's and 2 X's. In this one down here, they only have 4 X's on this last line, so that doesn't make sense. Here you see 4 X's plus 4 numbers plus 2 X's. And up here you see 6 X's plus 4 numbers. I really don't like this question because if you simplify, you would get 6 X's and 4 numbers, but it hasn't been simplified yet. They want it written as 4 X's plus 4 numbers plus 2 X's. So this should be the correct answer. And that is straight from your quick check. Those numbers haven't even been changed, so you should know what the answer is on that one. All right, guys, good luck on this quick check.